This tutorial presents the basic functions of PsycArticles, PsycInfo, Medline, and PepArchive databases offered through LIU's subscription to EBSCOhost. Although each database covers different information, the search interface and the process is basically the same for each. After choosing any one of the databases from the LIU Library webpage, EBSCOhost's advanced search screen automatically displays. You will notice that the database you chose is listed at the top. To change or add additional databases, click on the Choose Databases option and select the appropriate databases from the detailed title list. From the initial search screen, you may also choose different search options, including Basic Search and Visual Search. The Basic Search offers very general search options and is best used when performing a general browsing of a topic or a subject. With a Visual Search, users have the option to view a graphical representation of search results in lieu of pages of individual text results. When beginning your search, remember that the database results are only as focused and applicable as you tell it to be. So it is best to start with a list of keywords and synonyms that best represent your topic. Let us begin with a general search of documents related to the subject of media effects on children. After entering your search terms, you may apply Boolean logic operators and, or, and not. Create a more broad or narrow search as well as choose the field in which to search for these items. By default, if no field is chosen, EBSCO will automatically search the author, subject, keywords, title, and abstract fields. Under the Search Options section, you may choose additional limiters to broaden or narrow your search. Most of the limiters are self-explanatory, so we will focus on those that are less intuitive. The Smart Text Searching allows you to copy and paste chunks of text, or even an entire article containing up to 5,000 characters, including spaces. The Smart Text option will analyze and extract the most relevant terms from the text, and then conduct a search based on those results. The Apply Related Words limiter includes synonyms and plurals of your terms in the search results. You also have the option to search within full text of the articles, which expands your search results by finding terms within the full text of the articles in addition to the fields normally searched. You also have the options to search for resources that are full text only, publication timeframes, scholarly journals, which are best for academic research rather than popular magazines, newspapers, and trade journals. Further down on the screen, additional search limiters for each database displayed. Under Medline, the Clinical Queries option narrows your results into 9 research areas, including therapy, diagnosis, prognosis, reviews, clinical prediction guides, qualitative, causation or etiology, costs, and economics. 3 strategies are provided for each area. High sensitivity strategy is the broadest search. High specificity strategy is the most targeted search. And best balance strategy retrieves the best balance between both. EBM reviews, or evidence-based medicine, limits search to include high-quality, evidence-based content, including systematic reviews. Medline also offers the ability to search a controlled vocabulary or a thesaurus of similar terms used by different authors. This tool is called MESH, an acronym for Medical Subject Headings, created by the U.S. National Library of Medicine. You can learn more about how to use MESH in subsequent videos. Under PsycArticles and PsycInfo, in addition to the more common search limiters, you may also narrow your search using classification codes, which characterize the documents according to the primary subject matter. Keep in mind that this classification code system was designed to focus your search of the content in PsycArticles and PsycInfo only, not meant to be applied to the field of psychology in general. Methodology will limit your search to the methodology used in a research study, such as a clinical case study, literature review, or meta-analysis. Population group will limit your search to the group of participants in a research study: human, animal, female, male. PsycArticles and PsycInfo also provide their own thesaurus search tool. Similar to Medline, the APA indexers have created a list of synonyms and terms authors may use to discuss the same topic. PEP Archive has a simpler search interface, but it may be helpful to use the limit of number of pages of the resource when searching for a journal-only or a book-only resource. After you've entered your search criteria for all of the chosen databases and click on the Search button, a results list displays. One particularly useful feature is EBSCO's Search Alert. The Search Alert allows you to store your favorite searches and will notify you by email when new articles that meet your search criteria are added to the database. Under the search results, you may either click the document link or hover over the search icon to view basic information about the article. Cited reference provides a list of sources that are cited in the article. To retrieve the source, you may either click on a direct link to the full text of the original work when it is available, or you can link to the online interlibrary loan request form. The times cited in the database information provides a link to other sources in the database that cite this particular resource. The Add to Folder option allows you to temporarily store the document for future reference during the current session only. To permanently save the source for future reference, you may want to use My EBSCOhost option, which is discussed in a subsequent video. Depending on how the document is stored, you have the option to view the full text as either HTML or PDF. PDF is best if you plan on printing the document, want to view the article as it appears in the print journal, or if there are a number of math and special symbols in the document. After linking to the full text, the right-hand side of the screen shows several tools available to you. These tools include Add to Folder, which was previously discussed, the ability to print the article, to email the article to you or other sources, to save a copy of the article to a destination on your computer, to retrieve citation information for the article in APA format, which you can then copy and paste into your reference list, to export the article to bibliographic management software, including the LIU-supported RefWorks, to save a note on the article for future reference using My EBSCOhost. The permalink option allows you to copy and paste a persistent or a direct link to the article. And finally, you may bookmark the article, listen to narration of the full text, and translate the full text into one of 29 available languages. For more detailed information about anything we've discussed here, please see your library liaison or create a research by appointment.